Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. My adventures really never stop. Today, I'm going to try to get all this cut up, split. Who knows? I don't know if it's going to work or not. I might have to be doing this by hand, but I had my log splitter. It wouldn't start, and I also had to change all the seals in the ram. So I'm hoping, and I'm gonna put some fresh gas in it, and I'm hoping that it works. So let's see if I can't get this thing started. All right, let's get this thing off of here. This kind of helps keep the weather off things. Just throw that over there, and we'll see what I got going on here. Got a little bit of gas. We'll put some more in there. Let me check the oil. Yep, got oil. All right, so let me get some gas. Put some gas in this thing. I always spill gas. No matter what I do, try to pour it in there, and I'm always spilling gas. You guys spill gas? You know, does everybody do that, or is it just me? I don't know. Seems like it's just me. Every time I do something like this, I'm always spilling gas all down the thing. All right, let's see how this thing operates. So this looks like it's choked, and I don't know. It looks like it's run. I don't think there's a ball on this bubble. Doesn't look like it. So, come on, start. Come on. It ain't gonna start. I'm gonna have to chop this by hand. All right, well, let me see what I can get it done here. I'll spray it with a little ether. All right, I think I just have to keep pulling it. I think that's what I have to do. I have to just keep pulling, get that gas. I need gas in there. Uh-oh, hold on. Oh, that shouldn't have happened. that seems to be working out real well. It's going to beat chopping this by hand, which I don't mind sometimes because it gives me exercise. What would you rather do? Use a log splitter or chop all this by hand? Because I know what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start getting my firewood back so I can stick it in my solo stove so I can have my fires out on my back patio. Yeah, my little bonfires. I don't have a fireplace, but I use this for camping, and I use it for my little fire pit outside. You know, what do you do? Use a log splitter or split it by hand? Go ahead, let me know. Hey, I got a lot of work I got to do, so I'm going to get back to it. Thanks for watching.